Siberia, Baikal, Tver, Altai. The power and beauty of Siberian rivers, the hard frosts, the aroma of life-enhancing herbs, everything that nourishes Siberians with their legendary might. Siberian Health International, one of the leaders in the field of health and beauty, support product development and promotion. It was born in Siberia and now is recognized all over Russia and the entire world.
From the very moment that the company is founded, it puts a major stake in innovative development and the formulas of Russian scientists, as well as in the natural resources of Siberia and the Russian Far East. The company's Scientific Innovative Center staff members develop proprietary products and programs. The company's own production facilities and partners' enterprises bring about the most forward-thinking ideas. Expertise, developer monitoring, promotion, and support. Modern client servicing centers all around the world.
Today, the legendary Siberian Health is available to those who want to live an upbeat, full-fledged life and change the world around them. To be in demand and be needed by the world. To see that your work and your life has value for the world. After 16 years of operation in the industry, we know why we are really the experts in our field. There are 10 reasons for that. We call them the 10 advantages of Siberian Health International products.
I believe that Siberian Health International can be among those companies that will enjoy a long life.
Yuri Gidjev will tell about the advantages of the Siberian Health International products. Yuri Gidjev, MD, member of the Russian Academy of Ecology. For almost 40 years, he has devoted himself to research on the health effects of natural substances. He delivers lectures about this all over the world. Author and co-author of more than 400 scientific works and books dedicated to the questions of human adaptation and ecology, Yuri Gidjev is the developer of more than 40 comprehensive formulas of wholesome products that are made of biologically active substances.
One of the first and principal advantages of the company, I would mention, is the conceptual. We are talking about scientific concepts that serve as a basis for all product development, manufacturing, and distribution. And this is very important since the principal concepts were developed by members of our Scientific Innovation Center. These are the developers' concepts.
Thus, all scientific activities of the company are based on the 4 developers' concepts. The concept of micronutrientology, the concept of adaptation, the concept of protecting the cleanliness of the organism's inner environment, the concept of biorhythmology,
The concept of micronutrientology, the science of the healthy effect of microparticles that are found in foodstuffs, in herbs, in animal products. And though these substances are found there in micro quantities, they have a healthy effect on the organism.
These natural substances are indeed compounds from nature. They are connected with dietology and at the same time have a health-enhancing impact.
The aforementioned above concept is solely our own.
The second basic concept is an adaptive concept. According to the data of the Siberian branch of the Russian Academy of Sciences, that has been researching this problem for 30 years now, under the guidance of Yuri Gidjev, up to 60% of the world's people do not really feel well enough. A person feels that their body isn't really doing that well, but at the same time, they keep up their usual active way of life.
This in-between state, this is the time when the use of our products can be necessary.
The third and essentially important concept on which many of Siberian Health International's products are based is the concept of protecting the cleanliness of the organism's inner environment.
The purification of the organism's inner environment is a fundamental concept. Before you begin to take care of your health, before getting more pronounced results from different procedures and enjoying the more noticeable effects of a healthy lifestyle, you have to first get your body ready.
The majority of people have to reside in ecologically unfavorable conditions. Polluted air, water, and soil, products that are not natural. All this introduces pollution into our organism. Over time, the pollution accumulates. It leads to changes in the healthy functioning of the human body's organs and systems.
And here is the vast array of our products. And actually, if we look deeper into how they work, almost all of them, they help prepare the body for the transition to a healthy lifestyle in one way or another.
Many natural products work to great effect if before using them you do one or other courses of purification of your body's inner environment.
And finally, the concept of biorhythmology. It was conceived over 80 years ago.
The concept is based on the laws of biorhythms, the understanding of when the human body assimilates certain substances better.
The first products that were created here were synchrovitals. Please note, there is a morning formula and an evening formula. Healthy rhythms, a morning formula and an evening formula. Those products already take into account the intake of natural substances. Those that are most needed in the morning with the morning formula. Those that are most needed in the evening with the evening formula. Siberian Health offers products targeted to biorhythmic regulation or taking into account the specificity of biorhythms.
The second important advantage is Siberian Health International's own Scientific Innovation Center, which brings together the intellectual capital of scientists in the field of micronutrientology and natural products development.
This is an integration of their many years of experience, because many of them are holders of inventions, patents, unique developers' formulas themselves, and they share with us, and we use these formulas practically firsthand and under their supervision. This is an advantage. But in addition, this Scientific Innovation Center is also a library of knowledge, new data, updated constantly, and published in many languages.
What new technologies have been discovered? What new natural substances have been extracted from plants and other sources? What are their health-supporting properties? What are the results of many years of research? Coming up with new products, new approaches, new technologies. Siberian Health International's own production and logistics center.
It allows us to always stay up to date, and sometimes, perhaps, even be ahead of the times.
To have our own production means we constantly update technologies, especially having modern production facilities, certified according to international standards, which respond promptly to all market needs and which are constantly evolving.
Rearranging the production line according to the new ingredients that we have to include, according to new formulas that requires us to modify an old formula. This can be done quickly and effectively only when you have your own facility.
This is a guarantee of product freshness and monitoring during all production stages. The fourth most important advantage is the raw materials that come from different regions in the world.
Siberia, Altai, Baikal. These are the regions where we obtain the raw materials for our products.
Lake Baikal is one of the few lakes in the world under the protection of UNESCO. And not just because it is a huge basin of the mountain water, but also because it has its own microclimate and its own ecology. The fifth important advantage of Siberian Health International: patents. Today, Siberian Health's key products are patented. Those patents are issued by the Russian Federation. Patents in Russia not only constitute the recognition of a discovery, of an innovation, they are also a protection for the discovery itself, and a very meaningful protection. The next important point is that Siberian Health International has a vast repertoire of comprehensive programs put together by the developers.
They have specific names. Behind them there is specific research, as well as the experience of leading scientists, including those of the Scientific Innovation Center.
These programs are designed according to the experience of each developer and are derived from the basic products that are developed and produced by Siberian Health International. All programs are comprehensive.
Practically every one of our customers can receive a balanced nutrition program from our consultants. And this is very important. Timely research has a very important place in Siberian Health International's business.
Starting in 1998, the company has consistently initiated and financed a vast array of research for its products at the best scientific research institutions in Russia. Nowadays, the basis of Siberian Health product research includes over 100 research efforts, lasting from a month to 6 months.
In different places, in different clinics. When all is said and done, our product effectiveness is confirmed. It is very important for our credibility, for the confirmation of effectiveness of our products, for advertising, and for convincing the customer who is working on our products with us.
A highly professional, multi-level, multi-branch training system.
I'm deeply convinced that today, in an age of strong competition in the market, product knowledge becomes the additional business tool which helps beat out the competition.
Seminars, conferences, lectures, events increase the level of product knowledge, product effectiveness, as well as communicate the advantages of doing business with Siberian Health.
I call this the multi-level, multi-branch training and the qualification upgrading system for our consultants and doctors.
Nowadays in Siberian Health, the entire process is unified. from the initial conception, the formula, and the initial product creation until delivering it to the customer. Expertise in monitoring at all stages: development, production, logistics, and advertising. Comfortable modern representative offices on the main streets of cities all over the world. An online store. Feedback to the company.
The opportunity to connect with the designers, with the developers, with the production teams, and ask any question at the same address, at the same website. Constant monitoring at all stages of the process, from the initial idea to the realized product. Responsibility at every stage. And even more, personal responsibility. These are the advantages of our developments.
An important point is that we always discuss the combination of price, quality, effectiveness at our consultants' qualification upgrading meetings.
Our consultants indeed have to take account of this ratio when working in the modern, quite competitive, saturated market of natural products production and distribution. The phrase price quality is quite ordinary and quite well known. And it is right, it is good, and it is important. But we don't speak enough about the third component of this formula. I am always reminding everyone about it: the effect. You can arrive at an excellent combination of price, quality, but that doesn't mean that there is any effectiveness at all. You can get a great product, but its effectiveness can be questionable. So, here's one simple example. A new product, Omega Flax 3, a most unique technology which only several companies in the world possess today. We use this technology.
The majority of products on the market contain 10 to 30% omega-3 fatty acids. Omega Flax 3 contains several times more omega-3 fatty acids. The detoxification and also purification from unpleasant smell and taste is achieved by a special technology. So we have an innovative product produced via modern technologies and with an optimal price.
Our product price has turned out to be competitive compared with any products containing omega-3 fatty acids. It means high quality of products. And at the same time, the price is both optimal and even a bit reduced. So this is a simple example. A new product, Omega Flax 3. It has a high concentration of omega-3 fatty acids. And I can say the same thing about any product, and one finds the evidence there as well.
Starting in 2008, the world has been seized with crises which continue through today. And most companies still don't have an answer: how to overcome it all.
Siberian Health has been soldiering on and continues to soldier on in a stable fashion.
As per March 2012, the company is actively engaged in 18 different countries around the world. Its key products are well known in Russia and enjoy pride of place in new competitive markets.
We come to markets where consumers are educated in the traditions of using natural products, where they see it as a normal part of a healthy lifestyle. And they appreciate the quality and effectiveness of new products faster. The balanced ratio, price, quality, effect. The consumer picks this up very quickly.
Yuri Gidjev is convinced that Siberian health, Siberian ecologically pristine regions, are the guarantors of quality and effectiveness.
Siberian Health International. A better world.